It's moving! The particles are finally moving. In this project, I will be trying to move particles using sound. While there can be several choices as to which particle should be used for the demonstration, I have used common salt. The principle used in this project is same as in the Chladni plate. The Chladni plate was invented by Ernst Chladni in the 18th century. The classical Chladni plate consists of a metal sheet mounted on a central sturdy base. When the plate oscillates in a particular mode of vibration, specific symmetrical patterns are formed over the nodes and antinodes. My version of the Chladni plate consists of a foam sheet mounted over a speaker. I would be playing tones of several frequencies using a tone generator app on the iPad. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Here is 40 Hz. As you can see, there is minimal to no movement of the particles. At 100 Hz, we can see the particles moving towards the nearest antinode, which is towards the left relative to the salt particles. Here is 115 Hz. We can distinctly make out two different wave fronts. Now here is 140 Hz. The particles move at a greater speed towards the nearest wave front. We can distinctly make out two different wave fronts. At 200 Hz, the movement of particles can be seen, although it is not as obvious. 274 Hz happens to be the resonant frequency of the board, and the particles can be seen moving vigorously. At 400 Hz, an interesting wavefront formation can be seen. You can see a distinct pattern formation here. A similar wavefront is seen at 660 Hz, which is almost 2.5 times the resonant frequency. This is an additional clip that I have added. This shows the movement of particles under a combination of several different frequencies. This is basically playing a music sequence through the speaker. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel.